Everyone wants to make money in crypto, but most people lose it, fast. Why? Because they keep making the same rookie mistakes over and over again. From chasing pumps to ignoring security, these mistakes can wipe out your portfolio overnight. In this video, I'll expose the top crypto investing mistakes, and how to avoid them, so you can actually survive and thrive in this wild market. Don't learn the hard way. Watch this first. I think I messed up my first crypto buy. Want to avoid my mistakes? Here's what you need to know before investing. First, don't invest without research. FOMO is real, but hype doesn't equal value. Always dig into the project before clicking buy. Second, never put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify. Crypto is wild and one bad bet can hit hard. Third, use strong passwords and two-factor authentication. Hackers love easy targets, so stay secure. Fourth, don't trust random influencers or promises of guaranteed returns. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Finally, don't forget about fees. They add up, especially if you're trading a lot. Stick to these basics, and you'll dodge the biggest beginner traps. Remember, patience pays in crypto. Start small and learn as you go. Good luck. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Click on the comment box and drop the next crypto topics you want us to discuss. Thank you.